Okay, so now we're going to talk about the ordered pairs. And so I want to start with this triangle right here. So pretty much what I just drew on my paper is a right triangle, and it's a very special right triangle. It's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So I'm going to go to the back of my paper and I'm going to draw this triangle again. So we just said this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And hopefully you can remember from geometry that on a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the sides are x, x, and x root 2. Well, this side right here is a very special side because that's this side right here. And this side right here is one of the radii of the circle. And this is a very special circle. It's the unit circle. So we know that this radii right here has to have a length of 1. Which means we know that this length right here, x root 2, has to equal 1. So if I solve for x, I know that x equals 1 over root 2, which we would never leave like that. We would rationalize it by multiplying by root 2 over root 2, and that's going to get you root 2 over 2. So x equals root 2 over 2. And I'm sure you're sitting there saying, Gidry, why do I care about that? Well, I care about that because now I know that these two sides are root 2 over 2. And that's really important because this side right here is the x distance and this side right here is the y distance. So if I go back to my picture, I, in the x direction, have gone this distance right here, which is root 2 over 2, and I've also gone up the same exact distance, root 2 over 2. So this ordered pair right here is going to be root 2 over 2, root 2 over 2. And I'm going to use that little line in there as my fraction line. And now, what's going to be even more amazing, I'm just going to blow your mind, is that I know you're like, oh my god, there's all these ordered pairs all around the circle. I have to do this unit circle and trigonometry thing a bunch of times. No, you don't. No, you don't. Because this triangle right here also exists right here. And it also exists right there. And if I could draw right there. So take a moment with your friends, try to figure out how using these ordered pairs that you can figure out these other ordered pairs, and then go back to Edmodo and watch the next video and see if you got it right.